Hello, hi everyone, and welcome back to the Dan Cowtoon YouTube channel. Today, you and I will be exploring a very interesting and quite remarkable feature. We're going to learn precisely how to reply to comments by keyword on the Thread platform. Piteng. All you essentially need to do is simply open the InstaTool software. This is a truly versatile and incredibly useful tool that allows you to effectively utilize both your Thread and Instagram accounts simultaneously, so you can operate on both of these popular social media platforms at once. However, for the purposes of our detailed discussion today, we'll just focus exclusively on the Thread platform. If you want to efficiently reply to comments by keyword on Thread, you should carefully look to the left side of the screen and you'll clearly see a dedicated section specifically called Thread. Click on it and then proceed to select the Thread comment function. Once you've successfully chosen the Thread comment function, please pay close attention to the right side of the screen. There's a prominent option for you to select comment by keyword. Click on that. After you've carefully selected it, all you essentially need to do is set a few important parameters. First, choose the specific content you want to use for replying to comments. I've already meticulously prepared some sample content for us to thoroughly test together. Second, just simply enter a keyword here. For example, I'll enter the keyword LMS like this, okay? We'll proceed to save these settings and then carefully choose the option to comment randomly, ensuring a natural and varied engagement pattern, okay? This selection is crucial for mimicking human-like activity. After you've meticulously made all your desired selections and confirmed each parameter, the system will then prompt you with a series of questions. Specifically, for each individual account you've configured, it will inquire about the precise number of posts you wish to comment on. You have the flexibility to choose a reasonable number, such as 3, to maintain a consistent level of activity. Furthermore, for each account, it will also ask how many distinct comments you intend to leave per post. For optimal engagement and to avoid appearing spammy, you can confidently set that to 1. Once you've thoroughly finished setting up every single detail and reviewed all your configurations to ensure accuracy and alignment with your strategy, simply locate and click the prominent start button situated right here on the interface. You will then observe that the software is actively preparing itself, initiating the necessary processes to begin the task of replying to comments on your behalf, a seamless and automated operation. Next, we will transition to the account section within the software. Let's open it up together in real time and meticulously check the results. This will allow us to verify with absolute certainty if the software is functioning precisely as I've explained and comprehensively shared with you, ensuring everything is working according to plan. Okay, as you can clearly see from the display, the software has successfully completed the assigned task with remarkable efficiency and accuracy, achieving its objectives without any hitches. You can now navigate back to the function section of the application. Let's proceed to carefully select the specific account we just logged in and actively used for this demonstration. Following that, we'll also log in to Thread, a separate platform, to collectively check and confirm whether this particular account has indeed commented on the designated post that contains the keyword Elon Musk, providing concrete proof of its activity. Okay, as you can distinctly see, this is the Thread account that we just accessed and opened for verification purposes. You can observe with the timestamp clearly visible that we just posted a comment merely a minute ago, indicating very recent activity. Isn't that right? And almost instantaneously, to our surprise and delight, Elon Musk himself, the prominent figure, replied directly to our comment, "Hello, my devoted fans. I am indeed Elon Musk, and I want to personally thank you for your truly wonderful and insightful comment. You have been specially selected, and as a token of my appreciation, you won't have to do anything further to claim your reward." We can now proceed to click on the message to view the full content of his reply in detail. See, it replied with a message structured exactly like this: "Everyone, a truly remarkable and engaging interaction." So this is the part that I've just demonstrated to show you that the software's features work really well. It has commented on post with the keyword Elon Musk as intended. Thank you for watching this video from my channel. See you again in the next videos on my YouTube channel. If you want to use this software, just contact me. My Zalo and WhatsApp are displayed on the screen. I'll be happy to consult with you. Goodbye and see you next time.